That one is cool. It's only.
So I came for the leg problem.
Okay, no problem. Then you still headache out?
He do for me foot reflexology.
Huh? Then
you know, bit better.
be better.
My neck.
Feel tight, huh?
Yeah, when I was 32, I fall down. My hair is injured.
Sure, this one, huh? Okay.
So for 30 over years, I got 40 over years.
Yesterday when you go back still painful?
No.
Better.
This
Maybe
morning only.
Oh, this morning. Hey, you don't open the aircon too strong. Don't.
You sound like my husband like that. Every night he and I fight over the aircon.
The aircon.
He don't want aircon, I want aircon.
She is too hot, I'm too cold.
You sleep more nearby the aircon?
No, actually it's far away.
Far away.
That side. The aircon blowing here.
Okay.
I will take another room.
So for my leg,
Yeah.
you think it will be soft?
Yes, I will teach you more when you open how to stretching this side. Your headache here or here?
Yeah, actually my neck
Neck.
pain give the headache, but it is somewhere deep shoulder pain.
Okay. Yeah, it's come from here. Because if you too cold for the body, the mother easy to.
Oh, why this time so pain?
This time too sorry.
The first time like
She's
no
using
pain.
Rustin.
Shut up, Alex.
Because I more good to you, more pain little bit. Sometimes the muscle more tight. Then I release the muscle, you will feel more painful.
Oh my God.
Okay, painful. This muscle will revert the pain to the head.
Yeah.
But you have to keep warm. Because suddenly you cold and will.
Oh my God.
With the electronic shock.
Oh.
Okay, very bad.
Oh. My hand jerk.
Yeah, I know. Because the nerve is here.
Oh.
The connection for the hand.
I hate the head one.
The head one. Like deep muscle painful.
Oh my God. Ow.
Okay.
Enough,
Okay, you feel this one better? Neck.
Stress. Okay, maybe. I don't know.
Okay, you move. You try to move.
Yeah, feel
Better?
less pain.
Less pain, but still tight. You try to move.
No.
No.
Actually, the pain is gone.
I do a little bit for you. Don't worry.
Huh?
Do a little bit
I'm
here.
scared already.
I don't be scared. You think other things. What you want to eat today?
Ow.
Take more hot shower.
Ow. Oh my God. Okay.
Okay.
She's sweet, eh?
Okay, you move again. Move. Better? More release?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, for the leg.
Sit there.
You can hold his hand, you're not so scared. I'm so scared.
No, he made me feel more scared.
You have a lot of happy spots, you, eh?
So yes, you press the heavy one. And you must press more. Here, painful. Here.
See, I feel like a heart thing.
Yeah, I know. Then here is okay?
Here all no pain.
Okay, I show you. If I press here, you press again. Better?
Oh.
It's gone, right?
Yeah. Ow.
It's come from here,
Is it?
trigger point, yeah, it's come from here.
But the hard thing here is what?
The whole thing is because this one to type refer the point to here.
Oh.
Like robot, this one connect this one.
Oh.
You like a robot?
Pray for me, please. That I have no pain in my legs, please.
Yeah. So you have to massage more here and stretching more. Will become less and less because sometimes you travel, sit too long, or the
Pray for me,
aircon.
Alex.
Yeah, aircon too cold.
Ow! My God!
Then you easy.
I hope I never hit you. Ow! Ow! Sound like a dog. Ow! 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 Woof, woof, woof. Ow! Ow!
I'll put you on YouTube.
Ow! Ow! Oh, I'm on YouTube.
Hey, yeah, actually I really.
Hey, I'll put you on YouTube, okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Oh my God.
Because I want I also, this year, January, I take you for the video. I also want put on YouTube. I almost edit done today. I will show you.
Oh my God. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh.
Okay. Still painful or better? Still pain?
No.
No pain, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, very good. More
But
harder.
why the hard thing?
Yeah, because it's here. Here the muscle type then refer the pain for here. Like when we typing or use the phone very long time, then you use this one, hold like this, the position like this, then your wrist will feel painful, but it's come from here. A lot of people keep protect or do something for the wrist, but it's come from here. Okay, so you have to stretching here and massage here more to help this. Because if here release the blood circulation, this one more good, you are not so painful again.
Okay, finish, eh?
Yeah, okay, I teach you stretching and you can stretch this, pull like this, you stretch this muscle first, and like this, and you hold your leg.
My kneecap cannot bend.
Yeah, slowly. This one, okay, because I teach you how to stretching, also can help your knee. Your muscle more stronger, then can help your knee and this.
Her kneecaps are really terrible.
Yeah. Okay, then that side. My God. You have to more lower.
What?
Here. Okay, because I want here pulling, then can help this one. Okay?
Oh my God.
Yeah, slowly. But you have to stretching more, like the shoulder also like this.
That one I always do.
Okay, good. Okay, you try again. Feel still painful or? Try.
Oh, I can't bend my kneecap. No.
Yeah, I know. You have to stretching more than you can bend. Because the muscle too
But
tight.
this good?
Yeah, you can more hard a little bit. I feel the pain or no use. No pain, no gain. Okay, you try again. Touch this one again. Better? Still painful? Better?
Oh.
No pain, huh? Yeah, okay. You
But
know?
why hard here?
Here. Yeah, because it's this one here. This one muscle type. Maybe you used to use this one leg more often. The force of. Yeah. I'll show you the picture.
Hey, then when you grow old, who's gonna take care of you?
I will train some students.
I think she will never grow old.
Actually, I do myself.
You do
You
yourself.
can do yourself, eh?
Yeah, I show you your. See. Like all this trigger point is here, then we'll refer the point here.
Oh.
Like your headache is here. You feel like this sideways, the migraine, then I will do the acupuncture here to help the head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, but the first time,
Yeah.
you do 4 months, you no headache. No?
Yeah.
This time, don't know why.
This time more hard a little bit. But I have to keep warm, don't aircon.
But in my country also always cold.
Very cold,
ma.
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You feel more light now
Yeah.
when you walk more light. Yeah, good.
Hey, then you think the high blood pressure will give me dizziness?
Sometimes yes.
No wonder.
Yeah.
I always feel a bit dizzy.
Okay, so you have to do this stretching. Like this stretching. Then sometimes you do this one. Hold your hand, then open your leg. Okay. Then your upper back. Like this. Sometimes you do this every day. You can continue 2 minutes or few seconds more longer, stretching your this spine and neck. Then want to
For
lower.
the dizziness.
For the dizziness and headache. And low the pressure is this point, like the halfway point. Can lower the blood pressure.
Really?
Yeah.
So then I don't have to take medicine anymore.
You mean the Western?
Medicine.
But you have to check every day to maintain.
Mine is at home.
You want to check now? We can help you.
No need.
No.
Yesterday was good.
Yeah.
128.
Okay. So if you feel bad or you want to stop the medicine, but you have to check,
Yeah.
it will be more safe.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
You should have brought it.
Yep.
Because he got heart attack, he went to buy
Oh, okay.
one. And then he never bring.
Okay.
When you want to go to France?
Don't
In the
know
winter.
yet. Maybe.
Now got snow. Can
Yeah, so,
enjoy.
yeah, you can ski.
Yeah, you can ski.
Yeah, I tried once in China.
Who's that?
Okay.
I was same teacher to you. I ski now.
Not scared.
No, not scared.
I want to do skating. He say cannot. You will fall down and break your bone. See? Lucky he's not my father. If not, I cannot enjoy my life.
But it's right because your age is want to
See?
notice that.
Okay, yeah,
60
so you're
over.
right.
Yeah, it's really want to notice that.
So cannot, you're right.
Maybe just little distant.
Okay.
But a lot of people, even my doctor, old doctor, broke the hip because of ski.
Yeah, because the more elder is more afraid the picture
So
inside.
you better enjoy your life now.
Yeah,
Go and ski every year.
and fall down more hard.
It's okay. Huh?
Yeah,
It's okay.
because now my bones is okay.
Yeah. Better now you enjoy your life.
Hey, we take picture, yeah. Meditate.
wait,
We can
my hair.
also can take little video.
You will censor some, Alex.
Yeah. Hi, want to say something?
Hi.
Video, hi.
Hi.
Acupuncture helps.
I'm going to help.
It's
and-
wonderful.
Wonderful. And combine the dry learning.
Yes.
Yes.
It's awesome. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I put you on YouTube.
Okay.
We
you.
have a vlog.
Oh, okay.
Alex and Sandra's
Oh, really?
vlog.
Wow.
Then
Oh, you're
put
very
the shop.
cool, eh?
You have to subscribe if you
Oh,
want.
okay. No
Not
problem.
you have to. If
You-
you want, you
I
subscribe.
will.
Yeah.
I must. Yeah, I
Okay.
must do that.
So
Hey, you're very
Alex
cool,
and
eh?
then
You're very cool.
Alex
Okay.
and you know the N sign.
Hey,
You
now
have-
I
you can-
subscribe. I know I subscribe.
Offer your thing.
No, leave it on there. Nice.
ALEX. Then N, right? Hey, you're very cool, eh? You do this one. Really very cool. Very young. Very cool.
Wait.
Wow.
Alex and Sandra's vlog.
ALEXNS. AN. DRA. Hey, this one? Wow,
Yes.
okay, no problem. Yay! Very cool. Hey, mine is this one.
Oh, I'm subscribed to yours.
Oh, YouTube, huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
really?
subscribe to
Oh,
you.
very fast. Thank
No,
you.
back then already in Netherlands already. I
Oh, thank you.
subscribed.
Because today, I think I also will put something. I interview all different country for the acupuncture journaling.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Also, you too inside.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Thank you.
Hey, some part must censor, Alex. Like the France and all.
No, lah.
No, she must ask permission, ma. Yeah, some part we will censor. Eh?
Ah, okay.
Don't let
Okay,
people
bye,
know
girl.
Okay.
too much.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you
a
so
nice
much.
holiday.
Thank you. Ah, thank you. You too.
Okay, bye.
Enjoy more.
We are